Hello! To import content from another course, in the new course, select Settings, then select Import Course Content, which is located on the right. Under the Content Type dropdown, select Copy a Canvas course. From the Search for a Course dropdown, select the class you want to import from. You can also search for the course name. Make sure that Include Completed Courses is selected. If you are the teacher in over 50 course shells, the dropdown will only show the first 50 in alphabetical order. To find another course, type it into the search box on the right side of the dropdown. Make sure to include the dash, such as ENGL-1010 or BIOL-1600. Under Content, select whether you want all content or just specific content. Select if you want to adjust events and due dates. If you select it, you can either shift dates or remove them. Then, select Import. The import will run and the content will be added into the shell. If you choose to import specific content, pick which to import by selecting Select Content and then choosing the desired content. Once finished, click on Select Content and then the import will run.